In today's video, I'm going to show you how to optimize the Brave browser for better speed and performance. Whether you're dealing with slow loading pages, laggy tabs, or you just want your browser to feel faster and smoother overall, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to do. Let's start by opening your Brave browser. Once it's open, go to the top right corner and click on the menu icon. From there, select Settings, then scroll down and click on About Brave. This section allows you to check if your browser is up to date. If an update is available, go ahead and install it. Keeping Brave updated is important because updates often include performance improvements, security fixes, and bug patches that can directly impact speed. Next, go back to the main settings page and click on Privacy and Security. Here, find the option labeled Clear Browsing Data. Open it and make sure to select Cache, Cookies, and Browsing History. Set the time range to All Time, then clear the data. This step helps remove unnecessary stored files that can slow down your browser over time. It's one of the quickest ways to improve performance instantly. Now let's take a look at extensions. On the left sidebar, click on Extensions, then select Manage Extensions. Review the list carefully and disable or remove any extensions you don't actively use. Too many extensions running in the background can consume memory and reduce speed. After that, go to the System Settings section. Here, turn off the option that allows Brave to continue running background apps when it's closed. This prevents unnecessary resource usage when the browser isn't in use. While you're in this section, make sure hardware acceleration is enabled. This allows your computer's GPU to assist with rendering, which can significantly improve performance, especially when handling videos or complex web pages. Next, return to Privacy and Security, then open the Security section. Look for the DNS settings and choose a reliable provider like Google or Cloudflare. These can sometimes improve page loading speeds depending on your network. Now, check for the Memory Saver option in the system settings and enable it if available. This feature helps reduce RAM usage by putting inactive tabs to sleep, which is especially useful if you tend to keep many tabs open. Before finishing, here are a few extra tips. Try to keep the number of open tabs under control. Close apps running in the background that you don't need, and make sure your system isn't overloaded while browsing. Small habits like these can make a noticeable difference. Once everything is set, restart your Brave browser to apply all the changes properly. After restarting, you should notice smoother performance and faster response times. That's all there is to it. With these simple adjustments, you can significantly improve Brave's speed and overall performance without any complicated setup. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.